Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the volume measurement function in LiDAR 360. Volume measurement can be used to measure the volume of point clouds and model data. By drawing a polygon, you can calculate the fill, cut, and fill-cut volumes relative to a certain height within the polygon. It is generally recommended to adjust the window to the top view before performing volume measurement. In the Tools module, select Volume Measurement, then draw a polygonal area and double-click to finish drawing. In the pop-up, you can choose between the tin method and grid method for volume measurement. The cell size affects the accuracy of the grid method. The smaller the value, the more precise the calculation. The software provides 5 data methods for defining the reference plane for fill and cut volumes. After setting the parameters, click the Compute button. You can export the results as a report, and the software also offers report settings. You can add basic information in the settings or upload photos of the construction site to generate a more comprehensive and intuitive report. Users can view the exported report in the Save path. Additionally, you can perform volume measurement from a file by adding the corresponding vector file. Check Select Polygons to choose polygons for volume measurement, or click Select All to measure the volume of all polygons in the file. Click OK. The parameter settings are the same as those in the volume measurement function, but different polygons can use different data methods to define the reference plane for fill and cut volumes. Click Compute to measure the volume of a single polygon. Or Compute All to measure the volume of all polygons. Finally, export the calculation report. That concludes the introduction to the volume measurement function. Thank you for watching.